Hello, how you doing? So way out there, way out yonder, is a hurricane going up the west side of Florida, and over there is the Atlantic Ocean, and it's clear over there. So we have a breeze event going on here. Not even really high, but this is a good opportunity to test some of the wind response for the microphones. So this is the Nikon Z6 Mark III. This is the new baby, okay? And we got a little bit of wind going on here, and this is the internal mics with the wind helper turned on. All right, now I know I did test this, it doesn't do too well. So I'm gonna plug in a Rode mic now, okay? And that would be the external mic, and it will be a little bit better. So let's do that now. I plugged in the Rode mic, so now you should be hearing the Rode mic. So there's some pretty decent wind. It's not gonna knock me over, but I didn't realize my legs were so weak. So you can see from some of the trees going on, like the palm trees up there and the tree over there, that we do have some wind happening, some doors slamming. That scared me a little bit. And now we're gonna test. We're gonna do the Nikon with this external Rode mic. It does have a foam on there, so you'll be able to see it. And I'll use the same mic when I switch over to the A7C Mark II, because that doesn't offer hardly any help at all. All right, so I'll show you that, then I'll put this mic on. Now the surprising one, the really cool one, is the E10 Mark II, E10 Mark I. Any of those Sony cameras that give you that little bit of a foamy top, like me, like a cotton swab if you get the white one. Looks like I got a windscreen on my head. So we're testing now the Nikon. So this is the Nikon. Stabilization is done inside, 20mm lens on here. Everything is done in 4K. You might not be seeing it in 4K depending on where you're seeing it, but on YouTube it will be 4K. So this is what it sounds like with the Rode mic. Now we're going to switch over, I think, to the A7C Mark II. Better hold on to this a little bit better. The A7C Mark II. We'll do a few seconds of just the internal mic, or maybe not at all. And then I'll put this Rode on there, and then we'll go over to the E10 Mark II with the little wind muffin that comes with it. All right, so let's get rolling. This is the A7C Mark II with the Ulanzi external mic. The winds, as you can see, are not super strong right now, but it's got that big old wind muffin on it. So this is what it sounds like with a little bit of a breeze. Now, just for grins and giggles, so that's a little bit of a breeze. I'm not even going to play this camera without the with the internal mics, because it's ununderstandable. But I do want to change it to a Rode and see how that's different. Okay, so let's do that. All right, I popped the Rode on there, and it does have the wind foam. Doesn't have like the fuzzy, but the wind foam, just to compare it with the Ulanzi. So I'm coming back out here where we do get a pretty good clip of breeze because they're giving us bands. All right, so right now we got some wind coming across. You can see that door is flapping like crazy all the way over there. Now there's a good breeze right now. The air is dry, so it's not like it will become a rain event eventually when we get those kind of bands. But what I've got right now is basically a wind event, and it's a nippy breeze. It's going, so it's blowing over. So now let's go over to the Sony with the wind muffin that they give you. Where this one, the A7C Mark II, no wind muffin, baby. All right, let's change that. By the way, the A7C Mark II does not have that little wind muffin on the top, which is a little bit of a surprise. So if you buy the A7C, A7C Mark II, A7C R Mark II, you don't get this this wind barrier on the top of your camera. There's no place to receive it. Just thought I'd mention that. I have to say I'm kind of impressed with the little wind muffin that goes on top of these little cameras where Sony integrated it. That was a good job. Sometimes Sony will do a good job and sometimes Sony will not. So you can't see over there, but when I was turned this way you could if you're looking in the background. All right, I did not put the garbage pickup today. So for here, Thursday, garbage pickup is today, and at Randy's, the garbage pickup is today. But I don't want that thing being blown down the street and having to go clean up garbage. So I guess I didn't have to put that in this video, but hey, something to talk about. I'd have to say of all the cameras that the E10 Mark II, the ZV-1, I'm sorry, the ZV, well, it would be the ZV-1 Mark II and the ZV-E1, which I call Eleanor, actually do the best in terms of a wind event. So let's say you're out at a park and you don't have a hurricane going on over in the Gulf of Mexico. You get a little bit of a breeze, and what you got going on here with this little muffin top, at first I was a little embarrassed by the looks of it. It's like, what's this little fuzzy thing on the top of your camera, dude? Well, it works, and you could hear that it works. This camera is a little more tinny in the sound with the internal mics, okay? But that could be fixed with a little EQ in Final Cut or whatever your poison is for your videos. I'm trying not to fall in the pool and talk at the same time. So we'll get sun, like the sun just popped out, okay? And then it'll get cloudy, then the wind will get high, and then the wind will come down. And that's why we're doing this little test, because it's fun. And you could see what it is you might need to do to get prepared to have some wind come through. Now we got a good blast of wind, okay? I don't know if you heard that. I don't have the voice isolation on, so I could turn the voice isolation on in Final Cut and it'll actually cut out some of the background noise. But in order to be fair to all the cameras, I don't have the wind isolation running. So you're actually hearing how the camera is going to record it. So now this is probably the strongest wind that I've gone through. You can tell by the surface of the pool. You see how the water is reacting? So the water reacts quickly to the pool. And the positive thing is it pushes all the leaves to one corner. So all I have to do is get that little screen thing and go clean that corner. All right, enough. Let's end this video. So we had our wind event. I got to talk about the little hurricane that's running out on the west side of the state of Florida. It's heading up, probably gonna go right up the underwear of Atlanta. So you guys that are in that part of the country, be prepared. That's all I can say about that. And yep, there's that door slamming again. I gotta remember that it does that. Alrighty, thanks for being with me today, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye. Whoosh!
You have just watched another Peter Gregg video. Something warm, human, and wonderful happens when you watch Peter Gregg. Thank you for watching.